So at the moment, everything that was in here, except for this one table and these two very large ones, big pots, is now pro tem out here. Some of them, like this little tree, needs something else. Some of them. I thought this was just going to be an afternoon job, but you know what? Not even close to finishing. So I'm hoping these things will overnight out here. This time of year, it's not that much different than being inside, unless it rains. But meanwhile, since I have everything out of the way, I'm cleaning. I don't know if you could see the difference. This is where I've already worked. For some areas we've always been able to reach, but see how dirty some of this gets. And once I get this table, I'll move this table out. You can see how dirty it gets under there and along there. Look how it gets. I should be able to. It just easily wipes off once I spray it. It's just that normally that stuff bird dookie from inside, obviously. One of the times we had a bird in here. And it'll be hard to get up there. I've got to clean out the fan too while I'm at it. And the floor. And then we've got to figure out what we'll put in here now. Because I threw the rug out. We had a rug in here. It's in the dump. It's gone.